Once you have created a workflow, you can edit it to add or remove triggers and actions. In this tutorial, we will see how by editing an existing workflow, we can add an email follow-up to the workflow. In the side menu, click on Configuration Center. Choose Flows, and go to After Booking Workflows. In the existing workflow, click on Edit. The workflow sends a confirmation email, a rescheduling, a cancellation, and 2 reminder emails. Click on Add New Trigger. Drop down the menu and select After a booking ends. In the trigger, click on Add a new action. Drop down the menu and choose Send Follow-up. Specify when you want to send the follow-up email. Choose the corresponding email template. You must select your own email account, so the follow-up email is sent, and click Add. Click Save to upgrade the workflow. From now on, one day after the meeting, the follow-up email will be sent.